Hello, I'm Yoan.
And I'm Ethan.
And for weeks, I begged my mom for a chicken sandwich.
So finally, we get to eat a delicious chicken sandwich. Let's get started.
First, we're gonna make the bread.
First, pour in 258 grams of milk, 97 grams of heavy cream, 500 grams of bread flour, scoop up 48 grams of sugar, 8 grams of salt, 10 grams of dry yeast, then let the bread machine do its magic. After it turns to dough, put in some butter.
Prepare 32 grams of butter. When the dough is ready, dump the butter.
Now, you close the lid and wait for an hour and a half.
Now we're gonna make the breadcrumb for the chicken tender.
Now let's make some fried chicken tender. Cover it with flour, then with egg, and cover it with the breadcrumbs you just made. After all that, put it in a separate pan. Then do the same with all the others. Ta-da!
Get out the dough from the bread machine. Knead the dough to remove the air. Separate evenly.
238 grams apiece. Knead all 4 of these doughs into a round shape.
Cover it with a wrap, then set a timer for 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes, remove the cover and get a bread pan. Do not put it in immediately, but instead flatten it, fold it inwards, and roll it up. Do the same for all of them.
Set a timer for 35 minutes. Time for my favorite part, frying the chicken tenders. Pour the oil. Check the temperature. Now, put the chicken tenders into the oil. Fry it for 2 minutes. Turn it over. Fry for another 2 minutes. Take out all the breadcrumbs from the oil.
listen to that bubbling sound of goodness.
Take out all the chicken from the pot. Yum!
After 35 minutes, put the bread pan in the oven at 450 degrees for 35 minutes. Voila! Delicious. It's now time to make the sandwich. Get 2 pieces of bread and put in some sauce. Spread it around. Now with your vegetable of your choice, put in vegetable number 1, vegetable number 2, some cheese, and vegetable number 3. Time to put in that delicious chicken. Chicken number 2, chicken number 3. Squeeze some more sauce on top of the chicken and put the bread on top. Voila, a sandwich. Cover it with plastic wrap. Then wrap it again with parchment paper. Now your sandwich looks extra special. Now it's a perfect lunch for your kids.
Now my favorite lunch is ready.
Time to enjoy!
Thanks for watching!